Here I'm going to show you how to build and attend your own university for free using Claude and LifterLMS without spending $200,000. There's no campus, there's no tuition, there's no application. You just need to use AI and LifterLMS. I tell Claude what I want to take using one simple prompt, and it builds it all for me, including video lessons, quizzes, and more. And you can do this for any topic from investing to cooking to physical therapy or whatever it is you're interested in. And remember, there's a social aspect to university, so you can always move to an area with like-minded people to be social, but you can actually build a lot of your own curriculum. Let me show you how to build your own online university step by step. Grab a coffee, class is about to start. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go get the prompt below this video and paste it into Claude to build our own university that you can create and go to for free. So I'm just going to jump over and copy and paste this prompt. It's a really big prompt. Just copy the whole thing, come back to Claude and paste it. So here's where we select the first 6 subjects that we want to take this semester. So it's basically like this concept of taking a semester worth of classes, like 6 classes, and we're just going to set that all up and create it all with Claude and LifterLMS. So here are the classes I've selected: the Science of Well-Being and Happiness, Personal Finance and Investing, Astronomy and the Cosmos, Philosophy and Ethics, Film and Storytelling, and Cooking and Food Science. Here, I'm just going to tell Claude that I'm not an absolute beginner, but I'm pretty much at the beginner level of the spectrum. And here, I'm just confirming this lineup of courses that I'm going to create in my own university. So here we're creating the courses one at a time. Give Claude a few minutes to curate and create each course from freely available videos and content. So Claude has built 2 of the courses, and now it's going to continue building the rest. I just have to type continue. So we've got 4 courses built. Now we're going to build the last 2. Just type continue. Okay, it's done. So if you're not used to looking at code, don't even worry about any of this. This is all your courses built for you for your semester. All you have to do is click download right here. And you can see it's open, but again, don't worry about the code or anything like that. Now we just want to go to our website and import these courses. So here I am on my university website. This is just a basic WordPress website. I have the free version of the LifterLMS plugin installed. I'm going into the back end in the dashboard, and right here next to LifterLMS, I want to hit import. And then from here, where it says import courses, I'm just going to click the upload button and choose my import file right here and open it and click import. And you can see it's only going to take a few seconds, and it's going to pull all these courses into our website. So they're all here. We've got our 6 courses: the Science of Well-Being, Personal Finance and Investing, Astronomy and the Cosmos, Philosophy, Justice and Ethics, Film and Storytelling, Cooking and Food Service. So if I go to the front end of my website, you can see all my courses are here. So we've got Astronomy and the Cosmos. If we just look at that one, you can see we've got the lessons, sections, the sky in motion, the solar system and stars. If we jump into one of the lessons, you can see we have a video that explains the solar system.
System is the name we give to our.
And even at the end, we have a quiz that tests our knowledge on the course. So what is a light year? The distance light travels in the air, and so on. I'm not going to do the full quiz, but you can see the quiz system in place to reinforce the learning. And all our courses are here. And we can go to the student dashboard and see our progress, check out all our courses, and, jump back into them and get started on the next course. So that is how you build your own university for free that you can attend with LifterLMS and Claude. So all you need to do from here is go to the description of this video so you can get a copy of the prompt. It's linked up in the description down below. Go get yourself, if you don't already have it, a free version of Claude and the free version of LifterLMS so that you can build and attend your own university.